Hello coders, welcome to my video. In this video, we'll see how a phony hacks are working. Okay, so I take a very simple example of compiling main.c. So in main.c, I just have a hello Rahul printed over there, and I have a simple make file around main.c, and what is there in that? So I am just compiling my main.c. Uh, and to create an object, and from that object I am creating the target, and the target depends on all. Okay, the target is app, so we are getting a binary name app once we make this. Okay, and now I have a target name clean, which will remove, so that will remove the .o files and the app binary that is created from main.c. That's it. Okay, so let's compile it once and see how it works. So I just make it. So I have GCC, and here I'll get a app. If I run it, I'll get hello Rahul. Simple as that. Okay. So now if I open this file again, so here we have some target that is called command targets, that is mentioned as clean all. So these are all command targets, these are not the file targets. Okay, so there is a difference between the two. Okay, the command targets reside within this Makefile, and the file targets are the files that is present in this directory or in a hierarchical folders while using the hierarchy Makefile. Okay. So, for example, here I have a clean target. So, what I will do, like I did make, so there is nothing to be done for this make because I already compiled it. So, I have make clean. So, once I do make clean, my .o files and app is removed. If I do ls, that is gone. Okay. So, sometimes maybe due to the need of the project, if I create a file name clean here, and now if I so ls, okay, now I have three files. One is clean, main.c, and make. Okay, so now if I try to make and do ls, I get that app, I get that main.o, and now I have five files along with the clean file. Okay, so now if I do clean, it will show there is nothing to be clean, and clean is up to date. If I do ls, my app and .o is still there. So why this happen? So that is due to the property of the make file that will take this clean file as a target. Okay, that it just take you know the timestamp of the screen, and it will see, okay, this thing is already there, so I have nothing to do with this, so it's up to date. So if I do again clean, it will say the same. Okay, again, so it won't allow me to use make clean on this project as the file is already there. So what to do in this case? So there is one target in the make file, that is phony. So how to write it? For example, I have dot phony capital colon, and now I have clean. Okay, so clean, what it tells our make is if there is some file target named clean, just ignore it because we need to work with a command target within the make files. So there is no actual file of the name this when we do make clean. So if I save it, and just do make clean again. This time it works. If I do ls, I have this clean file there, but still I can do make. So if I do make again the file will be there, and I do make clean, it is removed. Okay, so this is one of the way to use this clean. So let's take one more target. So if I have um, binary one colon, I have echo hello world. If I do make clean, sorry, what is the name? Make binary one. Make binary one. So you get hello world over here. Okay. So if I take this name and touch binary one, okay, now I get a file. And if I do again this, so it will show simply up to date. So I think now you are clear what I'm going to tell you here. So this also, if I do phony and I have a binary one, so this time if I do it, you will get hello world. Okay. So in spite of having this phony in multiple lines, you can make it a group like binary one. So the same operation will be there. Okay. So if you have accidentally created some file name of the phony targets, then this is the thing. So one more advantage of using phony target is, for example, if I do it make again, it will show nothing to be done because it's already updated. So if I want some command target, okay, like binary one clean, to be executed every time. So here, what I have this main.c. So I want this main.c to execute to main.o every time. Okay, so what I will do, I will take main.o here. This is a phony target. So every time if I do make, see, it is compiling again and again. So this is one of the cleverest ways to compile a particular command target again and again using a phony tag. So few things you need to notice, like if you have some file that is also a phony tag, so you should check it and avoid it because ultimately it will skip that file as well. For example, if I have test.c here, okay, and I touch some file test.c, and if I make it again and I am getting some, for example, test.c colon, and I have a echo command over here. This is a C file. Okay. So as I have put that in phony target, in if I use make test.c, so it will show this is a C file. So the actual file is not been compiled if you use that target in the phony. So this thing will be vice versa. So be cautious while using this phony tags. So this is all about the phony tags. So let's see in the next video. Thanks.